What's up, Qualcomm Pulse fam? Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of the tech world's biggest stories. First up, Qualcomm is revolutionizing how we power our devices with their incredible new Quick Charge 5 Plus technology. We're talking speeds that will blow your mind without the heat. Next, the financial wizards are weighing in on the semiconductor giants. We're diving deep into a comparison of Marvell stock versus Qualcomm stock, breaking down which semiconductor stock is the smarter buy right now at these attractive valuations. And the institutional investors are making their moves. We've got the latest on Alger Management, LLC, who just significantly grew their stake in QUALCOMM Incorporated. We'll break down exactly how many shares they added and what it means for QCOM. Plus, Strait and Sound Wealth Management, LLC, is also boosting their position in QUALCOMM Incorporated. We're analyzing these key financial plays and what they signal for the future of Qualcomm stock. Don't go anywhere. Hit that like button, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Qualcomm ignites charging speed without the burn. Get ready to experience charging like never before. Qualcomm has just unveiled its next-generation Quick Charge 5 Plus technology, promising charging speeds exceeding 100 watts while keeping your devices cool and stable. This isn't just about getting to full battery faster. It's about a smarter, more efficient power delivery system designed for all your computing devices. The magic behind Quick Charge 5 Plus lies in its adaptive approach. By intelligently managing voltage and current, utilizing lower voltages at higher amperages, reaching up to 20 V at 7A for a massive 140 W of power, Qualcomm minimizes heat generation. This means you get consistent, maximum charging speeds without frustrating thermal throttling, leading to a longer lifespan for your device's battery due to reduced heat stress. Qualcomm emphasizes that Quick Charge 5 Plus doesn't just deliver raw speed. It actively optimizes power consumption through dynamic control and device detection, ensuring a stable and efficient charge every time. Looking ahead, this technology is designed for future devices and will also be backward compatible with previous quick charge versions, ensuring broad usability. While companies like OnePlus and Oppo have similar fast charging tech, Qualcomm's scale and USB PPS compatibility give Quick Charge 5 Plus significant industry weight. Expect to see this innovation appear in accessories later this year and debut in devices at the upcoming Snapdragon Summit. The tech community is buzzing about this leap forward, with many anticipating a major shift in how we think about mobile and device charging. But will this groundbreaking charging tech make waves in the stock market? Stay tuned as we analyze the financial implications and compare Qualcomm's stock performance with a major competitor. Semiconductor Showdown, Marvell versus Qualcomm stock. In the fast-paced world of semiconductors, smart investment choices are key. Today, we're putting two major players head-to-head, Marvell stock and Qualcomm stock. Both companies are currently presenting attractive valuations, making them prime candidates for investors looking to capitalize on the tech sector's growth. We're diving deep into the financials and market positions of both Marvell and Qualcomm. This analysis will help you understand the nuances of their current stock performance, recent trends, and future potential. We'll explore what makes each company a compelling buy, considering their technological innovations, market share, and overall financial health. With stock prices fluctuating, identifying the right semiconductor stock at the right time is crucial for maximizing returns. The market is keenly watching these companies, with analysts providing diverse perspectives. Investors are looking for clarity on which stock offers the better opportunity for growth and stability in the coming months. This comparison aims to equip you with the insights needed to make an informed decision about your next semiconductor investment. Speaking of smart investments, some major players are making significant moves in QUALCOMM stock itself. We'll break down who's buying and what it means next. Institutional investors boost Qualcomm stake. Big money is flowing into QUALCOMM Incorporated, and we've got the details. Alger Management, LLC, has significantly increased its holdings in QCOM, signaling strong confidence in the wireless technology giant. In the first quarter, Alger Management, LLC, expanded its position by an impressive 5.1%, adding 3,010 shares. This strategic move brings their total ownership to 62,481 shares, a stake now valued at a substantial $9,598,000. This isn't an isolated event. Numerous other institutional investors and hedge funds have also been actively buying and selling QCOM shares, with some, like Brighton Jones LLC and Revolve Wealth Partners LLC, showing significant increases in their holdings. The market reaction to these institutional plays is palpable. Analysts have been updating their ratings and price targets, with J.P. Morgan Chase & Co. and Arete issuing positive outlooks. While some analysts maintain a hold rating, the overall sentiment leans towards moderate buy, according to Qualcomm Pulse data, with an average price target of $182.82. This increased investor activity and positive analyst sentiment suggest a potentially bullish outlook for Qualcomm stock. But the big money moves don't stop there. Another wealth management firm is also stepping up its investment in Qualcomm. We'll reveal who and how much next. Strait and Sound Wealth Management ups Qualcomm investment. More positive news for QUALCOMM, incorporated as Strait and Sound Wealth Management, LLC, reveals a significant increase in its stake. This latest investment highlights growing confidence in QCOM's market position and future prospects. During the first quarter, Strait and Sound Wealth Management, LLC, boosted its holdings by a remarkable 38.9%, acquiring an additional 1,839 shares. This brings their total ownership to 6,562 shares, valued at $1,008,000. This move aligns with a broader trend of institutional investors showing renewed interest in Qualcomm, with firms like Brighton Jones LLC and Revolve Wealth Partners LLC also increasing their positions. It's worth noting that institutional investors collectively hold a significant 74.35% of the company's stock. This increased investment activity comes amidst a backdrop of solid financial performance, including Qualcomm's recent earnings report, which beat analyst expectations for both EPS and revenue. Despite some insider selling, such as by CFO Akash J. Palkhiwala and CAO Patricia Y. Gretsch, the overall market sentiment, supported by analyst ratings and price target adjustments from firms like Sanford C. Bernstein and Bank of America, remains largely positive, with a consensus rating of moderate buy and an average target price of $182.82. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. Stick around for a quick recap and make sure you're subscribed. All right, tech enthusiasts, let's do a lightning round recap. Qualcomm's new Quick Charge 5 Plus is set to revolutionize device charging with incredible speed and cool efficiency. We saw Marvell and Qualcomm stocks analyzed for smart investment opportunities. Plus, Fred Alger Management LLC and Strait and Sound Wealth Management LLC both significantly boosted their stakes in QUALCOMM Incorporated. Don't miss out on any of these critical updates. Make sure you're subscribed to Qualcomm Pulse. Hit that like button, ring the notification bell, leave a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels for more.